She never laid a brick, but she held the hands that did.
You have these hands. These hands have fed this family for 20 years. These hands can build anything.
She carried his load so he could carry bricks. She never complained, never asked for credit.
Mummy, you work harder than everyone. Why doesn't anyone see?
Some people build with bricks. Some people build with their prayers and their sacrifice. All of it matters.
On opening day, they praised the builder, but he saw the foundation.
No one sees the hands that held this family together while I built. She is the foundation of everything.
To herself, he sees. He finally sees.
The world praises the builders, but someone must hold the home while they build. That was her job, and she did it well.